So this past year, the internet made a pretty big deal about this discontinued dipping sauce from McDonald's. I mean, everybody and their brother wanted to get their hands on the stuff, even cartoon characters.
I'm driven by finding that McNugget sauce. I want that Mulan McNugget sauce, Morty.
Well, as it turns out, McDonald's listened and brought it back this week. So I just had to get my hands on it and see if it lived up to the hype. This is the Szechuan sauce review. Let's see how this stuff ranks when it comes to your run-of-the-mill tests. Like, how does it do when it comes to playing musical instruments? Watch out, Jimi Hendrix. That's a solid 4 out of 5. Naturally, one begins to wonder how the sauce performs when it comes to making a magazine's pages stick together. And the results are in. That's an astounding 3 out of 5. But how does it do when it comes to playing video games? Wow, that's a new high score. How about nipples? Does it spread well on nipples? Talk about sensual. That is a solid 4 Steve Urkels out of 7. Can it turn this ugly flat hair into something awesome? You bet your sweet ass it can. Talk about fabulous. That's a solid B-. But can it score with the ladies? Let's listen in. What's up, girl? You looking fine as hell. You're not looking too bad yourself, mister. Wanna bang? Sure. Wow, she's a slut. He's a player. That's a solid 3 granola bars out of a Katy Perry. But can it help you see better when reading? I'd say so. That earns a solid 79%. That's all fine and dandy, but can it play records? That's the real question. Of course, that song is gonna be stuck in my head. That gets a thumb up from this stock video little girl. But does it lose your safety deposit on your apartment after filming this video? More than likely. And that gets a solid ranking of $600 down the drain. And in case you were wondering, it feels absolutely amazing when rubbed on your face. It not only rejuvenates your skin and opens up your pores, but some studies claim it reduces wrinkles. For that, it receives the ranking of a taco, a Kim Jong-un, and a 1975 Dodge Dart. But we must know. How does it taste? After all the hype, all the speculation, all the anticipation, how does it taste when you eat it with the tasty chicken McNugget? Well, it's okay. No Szechuan sauces were harmed in the making of this video.
Worst idea ever.